Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials: RPCS3 APK, your legally owned PS3 game files, and a capable Android device. First, install the APK and accept storage and controller permissions so the app can read ISOs and save states. Next, move your game dumps into a dedicated folder. This helps RPCS3 scan quickly. Once done, enable Vulkan if your device supports it. Vulkan gives better performance than OpenGL, so you reduce stutter and heat over long sessions. Now you configure the emulator core so games run smoothly. Open RPCS3 settings and choose Vulkan Renderer, then pick resolution scaling, 1x for battery life, 2x or 3x for sharper visuals if your GPU can handle it. Enable multi-threaded SBU2 to use multiple cores, which improves CPU-bound titles. Try a 60 FPS limit to avoid timing bugs. Then pair your controller via Bluetooth or import a mapping profile so inputs are responsive. Finally, launch a game and play a short session to verify performance and stability. You should monitor device temperature and battery. If you see thermal throttling, lower upscale or limit FPS to save heat. For stubborn issues, apply game-specific patches or alternate CPU/graphics settings. Those tweaks fix many compatibility problems. If the app crashes, clear the shader cache, toggle async shaders, and review the log output. These steps reveal whether it is a missing asset, permission, or an incompatible driver problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.